上步攬雀尾. Step forward and grab bird's tail. From our previous move. Our last move was high pad on horse. Left arm open palm, left fingers on the left hand point forward, fingers on the right hand points upward, sitting on your right leg, left leg empty, lift up your left knee, your toes just touching the ground. Stretch your left leg step up, toes up. Left toes down, push your right hand forward. Okay. Pushing right hand forward, not bringing left hand backward. So a bit of both, and then lunge. So you're transferring your weight from right leg to left leg, so it becomes lunging. Rotate the hands and sit up. Swing your right leg forward. Okay, so you are lunging with your left leg. Rotate your hands, sitting, and toes down, push forward. Then it's normal grab bird's tail.